Second problem, find three distinct rational numbers that lie strictly between -1/2 and 1/4. So for finding three distinct rational numbers, first we need to find out the LCM of the denominators, that is 2 and 4. So let's start the solution. Let us write down the given numbers. Given numbers are -1/2 and 1/4, and we need to take the LCM of the denominator. So LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. Okay, since 4 comes in two tables, so the LCM is 4. Okay, but to give us more space or more options, we will take the multiple as 8. Okay, so let us take the common multiple as 8. So if we take 8, we need to convert the first fraction, the denominator of the first fraction, as 8. So we will get -1/2 into 4/4 is equals to -4/4 twos are 8, and 1/4, let us convert this also. So 1/4 into 2/2 is equals to 2 ones are 2 by 2, 4 twos are 8. So if we see the list of integers for the numerators, we will get, so list of integers between -4 and 2 are, so this will be -3, -2, -1, 0 and 1. These are the list of integers which we can take as a numerator, and the denominator obviously it will be 8. So here we can write, we can take any number, any 3. Okay, so we can take any 3 numbers, like -3/8. Let us take -1/2, -1/8 and 1/8. These are the numbers which lie strictly between -1/2 and 1/4. Therefore these numbers -3/8, -1/8 and 1/8 lies between -1/2 and 1/4.